Most of us in the lawn care business have trouble being as efficient and profitable as we could be. With labor costs at an all-time high, many of us also have a difficult time finding and retaining top-notch employees. Training and retaining good people can take hundreds of hours and cost thousands of dollars. Lawn Mowing Solutions exists to find, develop, and implement practical solutions for your company to boost productivity and profitability. Our solution? The Mow Dump N Go custom-built lawn mowing truck. As lawn care business owners ourselves, we understand your pain and frustrations, which is why we have utilized over 15 years of lawn care experience to develop a more efficient way to handle grass clippings. With a Mow Dump N Go truck built just for you, you can increase employee morale, save time, and complete more jobs each day. Our process is simple. 1. Chat with our team. 2. Order your custom lawn mowing truck. 3. Increase company morale and profits. Let's team up and bring your custom mowing truck to life. Call Lawn Mowing Solutions today, because life is way too short to shovel another blade of grass.